Best 2 budgeting apps for finances. When it comes to managing your finances, the right budgeting app can make all the difference. Among the many options available today, 2 apps consistently stand out for their effectiveness, ease of use, and affordability. Mint and YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget. Mint is a long-standing favorite for those seeking a free, straightforward way to oversee their finances. Once you connect your bank accounts, credit cards, and bills, Mint automatically tracks your expenses and categorizes them for you. The dashboard gives you a comprehensive overview of your financial health, from spending habits to upcoming bills. Mint sets budget suggestions based on your past activity, but you can also create customized budgets to suit your unique goals. Real-time alerts help you avoid overspending, while the Trends feature lets you monitor your progress month over month. With its strong emphasis on simplicity and automation, Mint is ideal for beginners or anyone looking for a hands-off approach to budgeting. On the other hand, YNAB takes a more hands-on and proactive stance. Unlike automated tracking apps, YNAB encourages you to assign every dollar a job. The envelope budgeting system helps you prioritize necessities, eliminate debt, and prepare for unexpected expenses. YNAB focuses on giving you complete control, helping you break the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle and build long-term savings. Its educational resources and supportive online community add extra value, making budgeting feel less intimidating and more empowering. While YNAB does require a small monthly fee after a 34-day free trial, many users find the cost more than pays off in improved financial habits and peace of mind. In summary, both Mint and YNAB offer powerful tools to help you take charge of your finances. The best choice comes down to your personal style, whether you want automation or a more engaged approach to budgeting. Thank you for watching.